XProtect Access Control helps clients recognize, react to, and investigate incidents as a coordinated team. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to enable XProtect Access and integrate an access control system with XProtect VMS. In the Management Client, in the Site Navigation pane, we'll right-click Access Control. Click Create New. The Create Access Control Systems Integration dialog box opens. Let's enter a name for the access control integration. Next, we need to choose the correct plugin, which we have previously installed. Click the Integration Plugin drop-down list. Choose Demo Access Control System. Enter the address, port, user, and password. And click Next. Click Next again. Let's click the camera, Gaia 10, to expand the list of cameras. Click and drag the Main Entrance 1 camera to access point, door 0 in. We've also added the Main Entrance 2 camera to door 0 out. Click Next. And click Close. You just saw how to enable XProtect Access and integrate an access control system with XProtect VMS. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.